Hello everyone and welcome to Market Ki Baatein. We know that we are always meeting here to find out what exactly is happening in the markets, what are the things that are affecting the markets, and how should we be looking at the markets and deciding what we really need to do. Well, my name is Raja Venkatraman. I'm the co-founder of NeoTrader and also your trading influencer. Been in the markets for more than 15 years, happily married with a loving wife and an energetic son who keeps me on the run just like the markets. Welcome everyone. Good to connect with all of you and all the exact movements which we have been discussing on our YouTube channel or be it on our post. We have been happy to say that the markets are moving along as we are discussing. But then apart from that, we always are in the market for making money, right? And today's question, every market ki baate, I have an interesting topic to discuss. And if you guys are coming down to Market Ki Baate feed for the first time, so I would like you to subscribe to our Instagram handle and follow us so that you will get to know the different kinds of posts that we come out with, and also you will get to know about what are the interesting points that we discuss. So today we are going to discuss about something very simple जो सबको पता है but लेकिन ठीक तरह से नहीं पता, शायद मेरा समझना है. तो what I would like to ask all of you is, which is the most important element of the price? तो अगर कोई नए हैं यहाँ पे तो उनको लगेगा कि प्राइस मतलब प्राइस ही है, राइट? बट देन मेरा कहना ये है कि what elements of the price action, whether it is the open, whether is it the high, whether is it the low or whether is the close, open, high, low, close, ये चार एलिमेंट्स है एक प्राइस एक्शन के. जब भी कोई प्राइस आता है स्टॉक एक्सचेंज से तो ओपन, हाई, लो एंड क्लोज, ये चार एलिमेंट्स और या ये चार प्राइस के नंबर्स आते हैं. और एक्सचेंज से हर वक्त एक जो डेटा आता है उसे टिक डेटा बोलते हैं. और जो टिक डेटा है वो हर टिक डेटा में ये चार प्राइस होते हैं. उसके साथ देयर इज आल्सो वॉल्यूम, ओपन इंटरेस्ट, ऑल दीज थिंग्स मेक अप दैट टिक डेटा. All right, so this data keeps on coming in and then you get a 5-minute chart, 3-minute chart, daily chart, weekly chart, quarterly chart. आप तरह तरह के चार्ट्स बना सकते हैं, लेकिन हर प्राइस एक्शन में ये चार चीज बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होता है, ओपन, हाई, लो, क्लोज. लेकिन एक नॉर्मल ट्रेडर के हिसाब से मैं पूछ रहा हूं कि ओपन, हाई, लो, क्लोज एक ट्रेडर के लिए क्या मायने रखता है, एक इन्वेस्टर के लिए क्या मायने रखता है. सो ऐसे अलग अलग इम्पोर्टेंस है. तो ये सारा चीज मैं जानना चाहता हूं. सो सम पीपल आर सेइंग दैट द क्लोज इज इम्पोर्टेंट एंड yeah, we'll speak about the course a little later. Let me first connect with all of you and get to know what are you guys discussing, because I want to actually find out what are the things which is going on in your mind. क्योंकि अभी देखिए markets have closed and they are not closed too great, right? That's what has happened at the end of today. लेकिन अभी जो US मार्केट्स का मूवमेंट है और जो US मार्केट के मूवमेंट के पीछे अभी SGX जो है, SGX इज ट्रेडिंग अ लिटिल पॉजिटिव. सो अभी हमारा जो ऑब्जेक्टिव है या हमारा जो पर्सपेक्टिव है, all that will now focus on what is going to happen tomorrow. So the first thing what you get to know at the close of the day, okay, at the close of the day you get to know how the market has closed. So that will give you a picture, and that picture is the most important picture what you get to know at the end of a session. Okay, at the end of a session you get to know how the professionals have closed. The professionals are always leading from the front and the money always goes from the amateurs to the professional. That's the way the market works. So अगर आपको प्रोफेशनल बनना है तो आपको थोड़ी जानकारी लेनी पड़ेगी, and information is not available to everyone. So the best way to get the information is through the use of charts. And once you start following charts, you will definitely get a little bit of insight on what is about to happen. And the best view of that is I'm talking about when you get to know that price always speaks ahead of the news. Okay, that element you can always see in the रिजल्ट सीजन के पहले आप कोई भी स्टॉक देख लीजिए, यू विल सी सम गुड मोमेंटम इन दैट. अगर आपको लग रहा है कि उस स्टॉक में रोज इट इज हैविंग अ नेगेटिव क्लोजिंग या साइडवेज क्लोजिंग, सो आप एक अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं कि रिजल्ट कैसा होगा. सो क्लोजिंग गिव्स अ वेरी गुड आइडिया टू अ इन्वेस्टर or to a long term trader. So always you should give an importance to the closing. But when you are going to focus, all right, when you are going to focus from a intraday perspective, okay, if you want to go and take a trade, क्योंकि अभी कोरोना की वजह से काफी सारे लोग अभी इंट्राडे ट्रेडिंग कर रहे हैं, जो लोग मार्केट को जानते भी नहीं थे या जो मार्केट में आना भी नहीं चाहते थे, वो सब भी आ गए मार्केट में. उसकी वजह से इंट्राडे में काफी वोलेटिलिटी बढ़ गई. अगर आप देखे रहेंगे कि ओवर द लास्ट 3 days to in the second half of the day you are witnessing a fall and then the market recovers. But today on the expiry day the markets had a small push to the downside and then the market continued to hold on there. So the whole concept here is that now the markets are holding on to an important lower level. So मेरा मानना ये है कि always focus on the price action, and during the day, always when the market opens, you got to focus on how has the market opened. Whatever be SGX, whatever be the global markets, it can be anything. You have to focus on how the market has opened, how the stock, if you are holding any position, has opened, and how is it performing with relative to the market. क्योंकि आपका पोजीशन आपका है, राइट. मार्केट खुलने के बाद हम हमेशा पूछते हैं कि मार्केट कल कैसा बंद दिया, बट दैट्स इट. आफ्टर दैट ओके, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, यू गेट एन आइडिया, इट्स गुड, यू डू योर एनालिसिस, फाइन. बट नेक्स्ट डे व्हेन द मार्केट रियली ओपन्स, you are not interested to find out where had it closed yesterday. You are interested to find out as an intraday trader, where has the market opened today. This is something which people are never able to understand, and they are always focusing on yesterday's close. But then today, example, if a stock has closed at 100 and today if it opens at 105, people consider it as a very bullish scenario. और लोग कहते हैं चलो कल 100 रुपया था, आज 105 है, इसका मतलब ये एकदम बुलिश है, तो हम इसमें जी तोड़कर हम काम करेंगे. लेकिन 105 होने के बाद क्या हुआ? 105 होने के बाद क्या वो 106 हुआ कि या 103 हुआ? अगर 105 का 103 हो गया, so what does it mean? It just means that the whole concept, okay, the whole concept of continued uptrend, अगर 100 कल का क्लोजिंग था और आज 105 में खुला, that means that the price has opened with a gap, correct? So if it has opened up with an upward gap, the price has to continue its flow. But what is really happening? It's not actually going up, it's actually coming down. So if the prices are going to come down, that means that if you go and buy a stock there, looking at yesterday's close, then that's one of the most foolish things to do. And that's what honestly everyone does. Okay, honestly everyone does the same. They are looking at yesterday's close and they are comparing it with yesterday's close. But this is a very important element which you have to observe. And when you start observing it, when you start applying it to the market condition, you will be able to get a very, very good picture. And that is what we have done in NeoTrader. In NeoTrader, we have managed to give you a very good picture, a very clear picture. Many places you get a picture, but the picture is not clear. Like an NSE website, आपको काफी सारे details मिलेंगे, but you will have challenges to go through this particular concept which I taught you. So this concept is very effective. आप कल ट्राई करके देखिए, आपको पता चलेगा कि अगर कोई भी स्टॉक को अगर आपको काम करना है तो उस पर आप कैसे काम कर सकते हैं, एंड दिस सिंपल कंसेप्ट विच आई एम शेयरिंग, हाउ क्विकली यू कैन फाइंड आउट and how you can evaluate that. Yes, you will see that the stocks which are gaining from the open are the ones which will see some strong move to the upside. Like for example, today one of those movers which actually did very well was Bharat Forge. So you got to see Bharat Forge, Tata Steel. So you got to see how is a stock behaving after the gap up opening या a normal opening. ओपन होने के बाद अगर वो स्टॉक परफॉर्म करता है, सो दैट स्टॉक वुड बी अ गुड स्टॉक टू वॉच आउट फॉर. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स टू हाई एंड द लो, चलिए हमने क्लोजिंग के बारे में बात किया, अभी थोड़ी देर हमने ओपनिंग के बारे में बात किया. नाउ व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट द हाई एंड द लो, दे ऑल्सो प्ले अ वेरी सिग्निफिकेंट पार्ट. हाउ इज दैट? सपोज यू आर गोइंग टू look at a particular stock, for example. You want to find out when a particular trend is emerging in that stock, or you want to find out that when a momentum is going to emerge. तो हमेशा में हमको लगता है कि चलो ये स्टॉक अभी बढ़ने वाला है, करेक्ट, और हम हमेशा उस स्टॉक में बढ़ने के पहले लेना चाह रहे हैं. एंड वी थिंक दैट यस वी विल गेट एन अर्ली एंट्री, एंड समटाइम्स यू गेट स्टक. इसके लिए काफी लोगों के पास इंट्राडे बिकम्स शॉर्ट टर्म, क्योंकि आपने सोचा कि वो अब बढ़ने वाला है. सो वन ऑफ द मोस्ट सिंपल क्लूज टू बाय इनटू अ स्टॉक इज व्हेन अ पर्टिकुलर स्टॉक एक्चुअली एक्सीड्स द प्रीवियस डेज हाई. अगर कोई भी स्टॉक प्रीवियस डे का हाई क्रॉस कर पाए तो उसका मतलब है कि इस स्टॉक में थोड़ी जान है और इस स्टॉक को ऊपर जाने की इच्छा है. तो जब ये सामने हमारे आ जाता है कि ये उसका इंटेंशन, ओके, हम हमेशा देखते हैं कि स्टॉक का इंटेंशन क्या है, स्टॉक का इरादा क्या है. अगर स्टॉक का इरादा ऊपर जाने के लिए है तो एक सिंपल सा एक तरकीब है, इफ प्राइस इज क्रॉसिंग यस्टरडेज हाई. दूसरा तरकीब है ऑन द डाउन साइड, इफ प्राइस इज क्रॉसिंग यस्टरडेज लो. So on this element, you will be able to take advantage of the price action. Price action strategies काफी लोग उसके बारे में बात करते हैं, सप्लाई जोन, डिमांड जोन, इसके बारे में बात करते हैं. लेकिन जो ये अहम चीज है, ओपन, हाई, लो, क्लोज, उसके बारे में भी आपको ध्यान देना चाहिए, क्योंकि उससे काफी सारी इनपुट्स मिलती है, काफी सारी जानकारी मिलती है, और इस जानकारी को रखकर आप काफी अच्छी तरह काम कर सकते हैं. सो ये ओपन हो गया, हाई हो गया, लो हो गया, क्लोज हो गया. तो मैंने सारे चारों चीज कवर किए हैं, तो आपको शायद थोड़ी जानकारी समझ में आया होगा. इफ यू डिड नॉट गेट इट, जॉइन, just connect to our Instagram feed, go and take a look at this video again. You will be able to get to this important concepts which I shared in this video, and that way you will be able to just revisit, revise, and then connect with the markets and find out exactly मैं कहना क्या चाह रहा हूँ और हो रहा क्या है, right? So I hope you found this particular concept interesting. Yes, everyone has got a different version for the same concept. You may have heard it, you may have tried it. So this is my version of these 4 elements of price action, right? So what do you guys do, and what do you guys actually want to try out? I leave it up to you. And for those who are inquiring about our workshops, we have a workshop coming up in February, so you can check on the particular section. Yeah, you can just send us a direct message, and my team will get in touch with you and share with you those details. Yes, options are also covered in NeoTrader. Yeah, options are also covered in NeoTrader. We have a dedicated options module. We had a module, now we have completely refurbished it, and we are going to launch the refurbished module in 1 week from now. So it's a completely, yes, I had given a signal in IndusStar. So we have we are given a signal in Industar, we are given in Bharat Forge. So there are a lot of signals available. So market में तो signal ही के ऊपर signal है, और हमारे पास इतने पावरफुल टूल्स है कि जो एक्टिव मूविंग स्टॉक्स है वो हम सब कवर कर लेते हैं. श्रीरन ट्रांसपोर्ट में भी हमारा बाय आया था, बजाज फिनसर्व में भी बाय आया था हमारा. सो वी हैव गॉट वेरी वेरी पावरफुल सिग्नल्स बिकॉज आवर फाउंडर डॉक्टर नारायण हैज डिजाइन दिस ब्यूटीफुल टूल कॉल्ड एज नियो ट्रेडर, जिसमें काफ़ी सारे ट्रेडर्स, प्रोफेशनल रहने दीजिए या नए रहने दीजिए, सबको उसमें अपॉर्चुनिटी ढूंढने का मौका मिलेगा. बिकॉज मार्केट में अपॉर्चुनिटी अनेक है, लेकिन उस अनेक अपॉर्चुनिटी को ढूंढने के लिए यू ऑलवेज नीड एन एक्सपर्ट गाइडेंस, एंड until you get that skill, and for those who already have some skill, we have got various ways in which we can enhance your skill. So that's what is the agenda which we have for all our products, be it your advisory, be it our fund management, be it our training. So everywhere we ensure that आप लोग को अच्छा क्लैरिटी मिले and you are able to participate in the market in a much stronger way, right? You could contact, you could just send us a direct message on our Instagram handle, and my team will get in touch with you. All right, and we will explain to you as well. So this particular market ki baatein is for interacting with you guys and finding out what do you guys think about, and whether this particular question, open, high, low, close, so उसमें आपको कुछ समझ में आया. Do any of you guys use the methods which I shared with you regarding open or high, low, or on the close? Can I know that from any of you guys? Yes, these tools are related to algo trading. You could just send us a direct message, and my team will get in touch with you. I wanted to know which approach you liked. आप लोगों को कौन सा अप्रोच अच्छा लगा, एंड विच अप्रोच वुड यू लाइक टू इम्प्लीमेंट इट फ्रॉम टुमारो? या ओके, okay, no problem. You can follow whomever you wish to. It's absolutely your choice. It's a free world. Rohan, there are many ways to do it. It's not necessary that it has to be in the first 15 minutes. It can be at any point in time during the day. Yes. Yeah, there are some advisory services as well. So you could just send us a direct message, and we will get in touch with you and share with you about the same. Yes, Anising has definitely learned from us. We have practically trained almost everyone who is doing the training out there, because Dr. Narayan has been in this, our founder has been in this field for more than 45 years. So all the people who are doing training now, either in a corporate world or in any other form, they have taken training from us. Yeah, we cover topics on risk management as part of our workshops. This kind of field is not easy to discuss about risk management. Yeah, every concept on every theory of Dr. Narayan works really well. It's just that for a theory to work well, you first have to believe that that theory will work for you. Unless and until you believe that a theory will work for you, a strategy will work for you, you will just be moving from one trainer to the other. There are many people who are training out there. There are many strategies out there. Strategies may sound similar, may seem similar, but then end of the day, you got to ensure that you got to make money. Vishal, I understand stop loss hitting is a part of market philosophy. So in the market, stops are going to be hit. The whole Okay, yeah, I get your question. So you cannot entirely blame it on the strategy. Okay, I won't say that the strategy is at fault. So for a particular event to happen, there are many things which have to come into play. One is your strategy, one is how you are undertaking the trade, and the third is the context. The context means the environment or the situation in which you are going to take the trade. For example, tomorrow if you're going to take a trade, market is at a high, you are on Friday where profit booking is possible, and then if your strategy is firing you a buy opportunity, right? So if you're going to take a buy, you have to be quick to exit because you are going to experience weekend profit booking. So in that case, you will take a trade and your stop loss will get hit. And since then, you will start blaming the strategy while you have not understood the context. And this is the problem with just going and learning from YouTube. Because in YouTube it's only one way. When you go and attend a training, you have got the benefit of asking queries. That's where USP, what I will teach in my training program, you may get it on YouTube. But what you will not get is the experience and the wisdom and the support which you will need to take your learning forward. To ensure that, okay, if I fall down, someone is there to hold my hand and pull me back up. Everyone should remember that YouTube is for awareness, YouTube is for marketing, YouTube is for getting some bit of knowledge. But if you want to go professional and if you want to take market seriously, then you have to ensure that you invest into some courses. There are many ways in which there are pirated courses also available, correct? And people are ending up buying that. All the best to them. I have nothing to say about that. But I just like to say that if you're going to invest in a training program, you see what is the kind of support structure they have. Because training लेना कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. ट्रेनिंग के जो स्टूडेंट्स है उनको सपोर्ट करना वो बड़ी बात है. That is the biggest difference, and that's why we are still here, and our training courses are still the most sought after. And that's why you will see that एक Instagram feed हो या YouTube का वीडियो हो, कोई भी रहने दीजिए, we ensure that you have spared your time to share. You could have very well been on watching a Netflix movie or watching a Amazon video, but then आप लोग ने मेरे साथ समय बिताया, थैंक यू सो मच. और मैं ऐसे वीडियोस करते रहूँगा. अगर आप आना चाहेंगे, सो डू जॉइन अस ऑन आवर हैंडल एंड यू कुड get to know more about us by also visiting our YouTube channel. Yeah. So आपका आज्ञा लेता हूँ and wishing you good night and also a healthy and wealthy last day of the trading. Okay. Thank you so much. And if any of you guys want to know about our program name is called as 7 Steps to Financial Freedom. It's going to be conducted from February 13th to February 23rd, and you could send us a direct message so that somebody from my team will get in touch with you. This course is suitable for all beginners because everyone who is a beginner or a professional, everyone needs a structure. That's what we're going to be doing. We are going to be doing live market workshops also, where you can see how to implement the strategies. There is going to be option-based strategies also. So it's going to be a very exciting program which I have designed. It's a mix of offline as well as online. All right. Thank you so much for joining in. I'll catch you around. This is Raja Venkatraman signing off. Have a good day.